Oh, this would be good. Teach yourself a song. Teach yourself a song. Play the corny song you like to play. Some King G. You know that Topi that song, no? Yeah, you know that Topi that song. You got yourself that song. Yeah, you told me that song.
Yeah, just sing sounds, man. Hey.
There's another one I made. No, I saw that.
Because before you did this, before you touched that, the sound I got was.
What did you press, dude?
I didn't press it.
Let me see.
I think it's 3 weeks. It's not. Been on this for 3 months.
No, but you know what?
It was amazing.
You know Juan Mendoza?
Carlito.
Yeah. Did the same thing on the octopad.
Good.
Even Tony Taylor.
It's like an evening soccer guy playing a melody on drums.
Tony Taylor, you know Tony Taylor? The boy who won the drum off.
Yeah, okay, so 5 minutes.
Cycle of what?
Play the cycle of chords. C, F, cycle of chords. Super bored. Old school synthesis.
Sounds like.
See, this one also uses DSP. This ran distortion for this. Drive?
Yeah, don't you have drive assignment somewhere there?
No. But I can.
It's inside the DSP.
You can set it. You can set these things to control the DSP as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And your-
And I like everything when it's like this. And then when I want something, I just turn.
Yeah.
Looking for it, it just means I need to learn how the keyboard works.
And I said
In depth.
this for 2 months, and I think I'm. It's got PCM elements in it. You don't learn, do you? Mono sense, right?
Okay, maybe you should stand and I should sit.
No,
Okay.
stop being weird.
Now it's sounding.
Does that sound synthetic to you? That would be like one of your more. That's your typical move tempo. It's not complicated. It's got many possibilities. And because of that, you have many options.
I like the triangle wave. It kind of gives me that gaming effect.
There's so much you can do. Did you make my keyboard sound like a toy? I'm trying to change perceptions here. Ah! Okay, where's my sound? I still want a TV game, eh? I still want a TV game because, truth be told, I never owned one. I've never owned a gaming console in my life. And the J800. Another famous.
So where's your D tuning?
So this is business. It's just. It's one of my favorites.
So what kind of modulation is that? It's nice, man.
I like it. I prefer the old school.
Man, I like that sound. I like that sound. Remember, everything the perspective client
The prospective client said to me that it. So I think I should.
sounds nice. Okay, wait. Before you change the sound, where's the tech I'd like to fool around with?
That's not it.
Ooh,
That's not it.
Victor.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Man. Yeah.
Synth.
Okay, wait. Go back to the other thing. Elio, is it? Take it sound there. Cut off link. Okay, go back to that one. It feels like there are two sounds. It's the sound.
One is an octave lower. So that's why it's
I wanted to mess with that and see if I can get it to be the same because it's out of that's a very subtle detail. I thought it would be like more present.
No, it's the voice that's being detuned. The volume. It's not. Maybe there's sounds that are mixed to be more in the front. You'll see. This is the one I made. This is 4 sideways that I put. I tried to make synth leads that sound organic in terms of that sound closer to nature than I don't like piercing.
Yeah.
So